Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have something very exciting to show you. Very exciting. I think it's very exciting and I wanted to share it with you. So here we go. This is what I'm doing. Hope you can hear me with all the traffic out here, but I decided I'm gonna start growing a balcony garden. So you have Yukon Gold tomatoes. These are cabbage. This is bok choy with the Dollar Tree towers. These are just flowers. I'm not for sure what kind, but they're just flowers. These are my strawberries with the Dollar Tree tower. This is a blueberry bush. There's the blueberry. I don't know if you can see that or not. This one here is a different type of blueberry. That's the High Bush Patriot. This one is the High Bush Darrow, I think it says. These here are some pinto beans, and I believe that's squash in there with that. This is yellow summer squash and green peppers. Oops, had you all up in the basil. Green peppers. This is my basil right here. These are Yukon Gold potatoes that have not sprouted yet. This is my cucumber over here. 2 cucumbers, 3 cucumbers. These are beets, and I don't know what this is. It was something that started growing, and I just decided, I don't know what it is, but I'm going to put it in there and let it grow anyway. When it comes up, we'll figure out what it is and probably eat that too. Here's some more. This is green summer squash. This is my tomato plant. So I think I did the pinto beans, yellow squash, serrano peppers. I didn't get that. Basil. This is serrano peppers, pinto beans, basil, and green peppers. Yep. These are white beans and pinto beans here. My blueberry bush again, blueberry bush. Oh, this is my pineapple. This one here and this one here are cantaloupe. This one here is an onion, which these will all be transplanted into larger pots as they get larger. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what I'm doing and why I haven't been posting. I've started a new venture. I'll still be doing my other laundry videos, but this is just, to me, another way where I can save money and still have something to eat all at the same time. So yeah, it's another quick look. Tomatoes, squash, cucumber, and beets and mystery. Yukon Gold. I had another Yukon Gold there. Basil, beans, blueberry, strawberries, which check that out. I noticed this yesterday. 2 strawberries already in there, already going. This one here is another Yukon Gold. I think I have about 3 potatoes in this one and 2 potatoes in the other one. So we'll see how that comes up. And cabbage. I think you can only do 1 cabbage in each one. The cabbage grows so big, so we will see how these turn out. I just wanted to, like I said, check in and let you all know why I haven't been posting. If you want to know how I set this up or how I did any of it, just throw in a comment. Ask a question. Let me know if you see anything that I need to improve on. I know I need some bigger pots. These are my grow bags that I got from Amazon. Yeah. Oh, I forgot this up here. I have another strawberry up here too. So yeah, my little solar lanterns, they come on at night. Yeah, this is just my little setup. Like I said, I'm gonna have, this is what I'm calling my balcony garden, a balcony homestead. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to keep it this way, but this is the way it's looking for now. I have some more things that I'm going to put out. I will be doing future videos on those. I have some more vegetables and some spices and things like that. So comment, subscribe, let me know what you think of this. Let me know if you think I need to stick to doing the washer videos, which I'm still going to do those. Like I said, I just, my channel is all about saving money, and this is another way we can save money, grow our own food, which I'm all about. So yeah, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think. I'm going to end my video here. Like I said, come back and follow me on my journey, and I'll talk to you in the next video.